guys, so today I've got a really exciting evening plan. I'm heading over to Canary Wharf Light Festival with a group of friends because we're going to go over to do a little photography trip, and I'm planning to focus on like really practicing my portraiture photography, especially in low light situations. So I thought now I'll show you what camera gear I'm bringing with me.
So we just arrived at the Light Festival in Canary Wharf and it's absolutely freezing. My fingers are going to fall off and we need to go find all of our other friends now.
But even though it's freezing, it is flames.
Flames, yeah! As Hassan would say.
Alright, so we are at a shoot.
God, this is doing my core muscles.
The perfect colour. I'm waiting for that colour.
Lily,
Yeah.
you getting that frame?
Yeah, I am. Knee-high boots are too high and too hard to squat in.
Hassan, you getting the frame?
What frame?
Oh.
Oh, am I getting the frame? Of course I'm getting the frame.
What frame?
I got my shot. I got my shot.
What is it?
You getting the frame? I'll take that as a yes.
My first time using light crystal.
Yeah, we're in a vlog. So Hassan was teaching me about slang.
Was he?
Yeah, he was saying how you call a...
He's stealing
He was
all my props.
telling me how you call a brother a bruv.
Yeah.
Okay, now teach me something else.
I don't
Besides
know any
water.
slang.
Okay,
Oh, rat shit. But I can't put that on the vlog.
what's red shit?
I can't remember what he said it was, so Hassan told me that.
What?
I wish I did.
For $2.35, I wouldn't care.
I wish I bought this for $2.35.
Should we do a photo here or should we move on to the next one? I can't see you.
Alright, this is day 1 of the vlog here with Lily Price, Cliwitter, and Wang Dynasty. Where are we going, Lily?
We're going to Canary Wharf Light Festival.
Where?
Canary Wharf Light Festival.
Oh, Canary Wharf. Oh. CC.
That's the problem with having long hair.
So we've just arrived back at the Light Festival and I'm here to take some portrait photography with my friends, and Tim is filming a little vlog for today.
Wait, you're supposed to speak to camera.
Hi. Oh!
Alright, for those of you that are in the know, our students do not go to Canary Wharf, but according to Lily, we are here because the light exhibition is pretty cool. Here is the first one. Teach me some London slang.
No.
Come on, in the US we say lit. Well, let's see a London equivalent.
Lit. Flames. Fire.
You gotta do the dab.
That's so awkward. Oh my god, I can't talk into a camera. It's weird.
What?
It's weird.
Okay,
It's normal.
we can get rid of the lights now.
It's not.
That's what vlogging is about. Alright. Another slang in the US, not really slang, but we call a fat person a whale. What's the London equivalent?
Hassan, if I want to make that dark.